Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you portion control, how to control your food in your home, because these days things are very expensive. So you can see the way I portion my food. See this one, this is black amala. See the way I portion it. I portion it like this because if you just leave it like this semovita, I see this one here. I have pando yam also. So here I portion the amala, that is black fufu. So if you didn't portion it like this, if you didn't portion it like this, and if you are making it, you won't know the quantity you are doing. So if you have a guess, you know how many guests you get. Like this one now, if I pick one like this, if I make this one now, I can't finish it, because after making it, the thing will swell up and it will big. So, and if you are plenty at home, reach 5, reach 10, you pick like 5, pick like 6 and make it. So if not enough, you pick like 2 again, make it and pour water in the pot, pour it, begin to turn it, bang. After it, the food will full everywhere. At the end, they will not finish it to waste. So it's not good like that. So we learn how to control food in your home. That is portion control. The title is portion control. So learn how to control your food at home, especially woman. No, we woman, we know how to manage something, because men, they don't have time for all those things. Their own, they don't give you money, go market, buy things. So you are the one that you control the food you are at home to make sure everything go well. And some women, they didn't care. They will tell their house girl or their daughter, go and make food. And maybe that pikin, you don't know the quantity you will make. You know that you just pour water for fire. Open this, like, for example, like this semo. Now you open it. Maybe the person that want to eat the food, maybe now 2 people. You will just pour am for water, they turn am before you know, the food will full everywhere. But if 2 people or only your husband, you say pick one. If you make, if it's not enough, then you do another one. It's better than do it and waste. You use this plate. Some use cup, that's milk cup. Some use get one portion plate again. Some use. So this is the plate that I use to portion the food. So if I want to make food, or my children or anybody in my home want make food now, they will know the quantity. They will know. If I say I better go and make food for 3 people, they will know the quantity they will make, that the food will not waste, and everybody will eat and belle food, than to make the food and for 3 people and the food will full everywhere. You eat belle full and still remain. And many people, they don't like eating leftover. When food remain on their home, the next thing they will throw it away. So instead of wasting food like that, do portion control so that everything will go well. And if you go to the market, buy, carry 20,000, go to the market, buy things, then you know the time that food will take you. Even rice also, have to control the rice, even beans, anything where you are doing in your home, you have to control it so that everything will go well. So that everything will go well, your home and your husband will be proud of you. Some women, if you go go their kitchen now, you see food remain, they will cover it keep. Open fridge, food. You go just full everywhere like that. No, it's not good. Make sure fresh food is very good than remain, store it in the fridge, store it in the fridge. It's not good. If you make fresh food finish, if you want to eat again, make fresh food. The only thing that you fit make and remain and keep in the fridge is soup. You can prepare your soup, pour it in the bowl and keep it. When they want to eat, they will fetch inside and warm it. That one, because you cannot be keep cooking soup every day like that. But something like swallow, you can make it every day, every time. That one is not hard. That you just put water on the fire boiling, you turn it, carry your turning stick and turn the food. Cannot take you more than even 5 minutes. Your food is set. So I'm showing you this thing today to do portion control you at home, so that things will go well. If you don't know how to do it before, learn it now and do it, and you see the difference. Everything will go well and you see the difference. If you are not been doing it before, if you are starting it now and you're doing it, you see the difference. Everything will move well for you. So that's why I'm showing you this video this morning. Please, if you like this video, please drop your comment, your like, share it to your loved one to see it, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. So that is all for portion control. Like if I want to make now, just pick one. One is okay for me. If I want to do it for me and my husband, I'll pick two. If I want to do it for me and my children and